Hi, this is Greg McCoach, editor of the Mining Speculator. Today I'm with President and CEO Brad Rourke of Scottie Resources. We're here at the 2021 Vancouver Metals Investor Forum. Brad, welcome to the show.
Good to see you, Greg. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, we're all smiling, but we all know behind the scenes where our market is not responding. So we were just talking about this beforehand, and I've been just telling people that we just need to hang in there. It is what it is. Most people that are in junior mining stocks have been through this before, so they know how dreadful this can get over time. But when it goes, it makes up for all the heartache and the downside. And we're going to go. There's no doubt in my mind. We're going to go. It's just a matter of when now. So,
right. Yeah, I haven't lost faith. It's been challenging, but luckily for us at Scottie, we had budget to work with. We've done our biggest program by a big factor this year, and we've got enough in the reserves that we're not going anywhere anytime soon. So we're in good shape. I think we feel blessed, even though it's uncomfortable. We know we're around for a little while yet. Yeah.
Yeah, no, we'll be fine, Brad. Do we go this year? Do we go next year? Early next year? It's hard to say. So much of the gold market, when we need gold prices to run to a new high again. And in order for that to happen, there's going to be something bad that's going to happen in the world, right? We don't know. They could lock us down in COVID again, the world economy, the supply chain chaos looks like that's going to get a lot worse and cause a lot of distortion and problems for everyone. So, we don't wish those things, of course, but we know that when there's war, rumor of war, chaos, confusion, that's good for gold. And with what we see out there, obviously there's going to be problems. So gold will do its thing, like it. And this time, I think it'll be a much bigger jump than we've seen in the past. This will be one of the big ones. The ones that Richard Russell always used to say when he talked about this bull wants to shake off as many investors off its back as possible. And it's looking like it's doing that right now. And that's usually a good sign that we're getting ready to jump. So,
yeah, this bull is like number one pick at the NFR, right? This is Rambo, right? This is the biggest, toughest bull. No one's ridden it yet. It's a tough one, and it is shaking a lot of people off, but we're happy to be on it.
Yeah, no, I'm riding this thing to the death, man.
Yeah. No, I should have a neck collar on it and like a full flak jacket, like a bull rider right now. That would have been a funny thing to do. Yeah.
Yeah. No, we're gonna be okay, everyone. It's for anybody listening. Just hang in there. If you got some cash, I think in the next few weeks, next few months, you're gonna get a really incredible opportunity to buy some very cheap, very good quality companies. So I didn't think it was going to happen. I didn't see this for sure on my part. I thought we had bottomed out for sure there earlier in the year and we were on our way, but it's delayed. It's delayed for whatever reason, but it'll come. So.
Oh, it will. I mean, the majors, the producers are making money like I've never seen before.
Oh, yeah. So and several people have asked me about that. And I said, yeah, I mean, you can always play the producers. It's much less risk. And in this market, they're making a ton of money, but their stocks aren't really moving though,
No, but again, math will be, these things have never made cash. Like when you invest in the stock market, you put $1 in to get 2 out. It's because you have cash flow from these business. Everyone's buying stocks that have future earnings from 50 years from now. These gold companies have never, in that 30 years, I've been quite aware of what's going on. I've never seen, they're the best they've ever been. They're trading 0.4 NAV, 0.5 NAV, and nothing but runway because they've learned to manage their companies a lot better with a 10-year of a bear market, let's call it.
Right.
Yeah, so if they're still surviving, it's because they've been managing themselves properly. So this is a good thing.
For sure. Plus, they're going to be loaded up with cash to buy out the discoveries that we hope Scottie's going to make, right?
That's right. Yeah.
That's right. So anyway, Brad, well, let's just get into more about the blueberry, what you're seeing there. Let's get into some of the things you can talk about. You're getting ready to make a news release So we have to be careful what you're saying, but just give us the basic update right now.
Sure. Actually, tomorrow morning, I'm going to have our first news release. And it's, just to let the market know that we're live, and it'll be a blueberry hole. And we're excited. Now, we've completed it. We started at blueberry at the beginning of the season, and we took 2 big step outs, one to the north, one to the south, about just roughly 200 meters to the north and 200 meters to the south. And what we were hoping for is to get some feedback. So at the end of the season, we might be able to better hone in our pierce points on the drilling to just kind of see. So that is playing out for us this year. Last year, I didn't have that ability, but we are drilling blueberry right now with 2 drills, but we're following up on information that we have been receiving. So we're excited to do that. That's worked out. And so we'll have a total of about 6,000 meters on blueberry, 4,000 meters at Scottie, which is substantial for Scottie. We've only just kind of poked around trying to understand geometry of a few things. But this year we've actually a lot more drill holes at Scottie. And then of course we're continuing with Domino, and we did about 2,000 meters there. And then 2,000 meters on Georgia River, which we just inherited with the AUX merger that we did 4 months ago or so.
Well, that's very exciting. Georges River, I know that project. I've been up in that area.
Oh, okay.
On other site visits in the past. And I remember when you were talking about acquiring that, I was very excited about it. So yeah, we'll see. I think all of your projects are top notch for exploration. So it just, hey, you got to drill them. You're drilling them. You got the money to do it. How much longer do you think we can drill with the weather? When would that shut you down, you think?
Well, we're just trying to get off the heli rigs right now off the side of the mountain. And I think I'm going up again tomorrow morning. We'll probably get those heli rigs off the mountain by the weekend, and then just finish off with 2 rigs going at Blueberry, and then when the snow comes, and that'll dictate to us when it's time to go. We have the budget to continue. We have the motivation, even though the market's bad. I can't control the market, but I can control what we do. And this is, my 6th year at this project. The market. I'm going to do what I said I'm going to do, and let the numbers speak for themselves.
No, that's what you got to do. The market will come around. If you do the work and you get the results, you'll be rewarded. So
let's hope.
Yeah. All right. Well, anything else?
We're excited. We're happy. We're feeling good. Again, as long as you don't look at I got to keep the younger guys. I have a little experience with the market, and I'm just going, you just got to stick to what we know. Do we believe? Have we lost faith in the geology? We haven't.
No,
let's just keep going.
That's right. Exactly right. Has anything really changed that from our initial excitement of why we're investors in Scottie? No, the answer is absolutely no. We're
more excited.
More excited now. Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. No, it's playing out. I mean, the model, if you go back now, you and I have been talking for years. Yeah. Right. And I just go, and due diligence is hard, but just go back 3 years and then 2 years and just say, did we do what we say we were going to do, and had it played out? And so far, so good. Again, I only have, maybe 10% of my holes back for this year. And we're still processing those now, but, we're feeling pretty good. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we'll leave it at that. That's a good way to sign off, Brad. Good seeing you, talking with you again. And, just keep us posted. Call me anytime when you want to give me an update. I'll get the information out right away. So. Well,
sure. Well, stay tuned. And like I say, I think news starts now, and as it comes in, we need to process it and put it in context. You just can't get an assay and put it out the next day. It takes a few days to get these things out there. But I comfortably say that news is starting tomorrow, and we'll try and keep it consistent.
Okay. Well, listen, good luck. Let's just wait on what the assays tell us.